Weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Ashland County, west central Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, south central Lorain County until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lodi, or 10 miles southwest of Medina, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
This is severe.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Medina, Barberton, Wadsworth, Bridgman, Doylestown, Lodi, Creston, West Salem, Chippewa Lake, Norton, Fairlawn, Richfield, Seville, Penfield, Westfield Center, Marshallville, Spencer, Gloria Glens Park, Burbank, and Chippewa on the Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Lorain, Medina, Summit, and Wayne. The forecast for north central Ohio.